Hey, what's up? I'm checking in with everybody. I got a little bit more of an update. I figured had you in my house yesterday, in my dirty house during the day, so I invite you over for some candlelight. Anyway, I wanted to a few things. I didn't. My mind's all over the place, so some of this stuff just ain't coming out right now. But I do want to make a note to people. There's a lot of people that when all this first started that I was in contact with, and some of that dropped off for their cases, and we're gonna get to that. And I just want to also any of those people who are watching the videos to just hang in there. I'm not gonna stop for that. I just, all these complications I had to is what's going on, but I haven't forgotten about nobody. And I don't know, there's a couple of things I was gonna say and don't remember what, but I just, they're making it purposely, I feel like, trying to make it where I can't, where I won't be able to comply with these unlawful court orders. So today, so it took forever to finally get that video to upload. I got crap signal here. I was able to get my stuff charged. I'm floating some ideas out there. I'm thinking about maybe hooking up a generator, saying screw them. I just gotta, take me a minute to figure out get it on a schedule where I charge my stuff up and then upload stuff when I got to. But if I got to do it that way, then I got to do it that way. I'm not going to be shut down like that. And so I'm considering that. And anyway, so I thought about it, and I was like, well, in the meantime, till I figure out what the heck's gonna go on, I'm gonna call this place and comply, so far. So I call this this Center for Child and Family Advocacy out of Napoleon. And I call them up, and they're the ones I'm supposed to be going to betters thing. Supposedly they recommended it to the court. It's what the court's saying. But I, of course, if you remember the video I played yesterday, not the video, the recording where she's saying, I found the paper with the court's recommendation for you to, right? So anyways, my appeal went on through all that. So that was about a year ago. So I call this place up, and the person answers, and I say, yeah, I want to, tell them who I am. Here's my name. I'm Lawrence Steele. I want to go ahead and get scheduled up for the batters program. And he or whatever says, well, that's okay, good. When was this? Hold on, what was your name again, or whatever? And takes my name and says, oh, it was in March. I said, yeah, March of last year. Oh, well, you're gonna have to take another assessment. I said, no. I said, look, I was already ordered by the court to do I just need to get a schedule to do the batters program, get me scheduled up to do that, and so I can begin that, and go ahead and let the court know that I am complying. Oh, no, you got to do it. I said, look, I'm not playing no games. Oh, I'm not playing. I said, I'm not playing no games. I was ordered by the court to do the program. Just get me signed up. Oh, no. I said, look, I'm not doing this. And it assures me, And, you know, by this time I can start telling by, you know, you can just tell, you can't talk to these kind of people. I'm talking to one of those that identifies as something, you know. So I'm like, oh, let me go talk to the boss. Well, you know, a few minutes ago said, let me talk to somebody in charge when you were giving me a hard time. But she comes back and says, oh, no, she says it's been over a year. You got to do a new assessment. I said, okay, whatever. So schedule me up for the assessment then. And, but make sure you let the court know that I'm complying. And so it says, okay, so, well, it's not till June. You won't. I said, that's fine. I said, get me scheduled up and you tell me where it's at. Do you want to go in Defiance? Yeah, I would rather go in Defiance. I got no transportation, you know, whatever. So, gives me a date and then tells me where it would be at and then says, well, okay, who's your insurance? I said, oh, no insurance. And a big pause. And then, no, hello? That's what it says back to me. Hello? I was like, yeah, hello? Oh, who's your insurance? I said, no insurance. Oh, well, I'm going to have to bill you over to, you're going to have to talk to billing. I'll go ahead and transfer you over. I said, no, hold on. Don't be transferring me to nobody. Don't be transferring me to billing. I'll call them later. I know how much this costs. I know all this and that. Oh, well, no, you got to do that. You got to confirm through billing first. I said, no, I'm not. Just get me my appointment and confirm with the court that I am scheduled to be there. Oh, you have to go through billing first. I said, look, it's not going to do you no good. I'm not going to pay for it anyways. Knock it off. Give me my appointment. You know, by this time, I'm getting pretty heated up. It still wants to argue back with me. So I say, you know, give me my effing appointment right now and let the court know, and I will handle the billing later. And because I don't plan on paying for it anyways. Now that's not money I'm going to say, yeah, I owe and will pay. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. First of all, you prove that's what's supposed to happen because this is a game. This is a game. Now they want to play games with me. I really feel like as soon as I said who I was, that they wanted to turn it into something so that I'm not complying. You know, they're already billing me for an assessment they've already done that now they're lying about. And well, the court, you know, now suddenly this agency seems to not know what the heck anything about me. So that's what I'm dealing with here. And yeah, I don't know. Thanks for your time. My point. I want to try to make a point that my videos are real screwed up right now. Oh, another update is that another problem. I'm pretty sure my drive got erased. That I was storing for the edits, and I'm gonna try it one more time. I took it down to relative's house and hooked it up, and I don't know. I'm gonna double check it. But in that case, then I gotta figure out if I go the route I'm thinking, I'll be able to try to figure it out. But here I'm gonna have to redo that whole video for Rob's case. But let's just say that. But I'm gonna try to throw tips in there. And number one, always record your interactions with all public servants. Now I'm a little bit screwed right now. I couldn't record this conversation I was having with this thing today. But you know, because my situation, you know, normally, because, you know, as a judge said to me, we record everything. Supposedly the recording don't exist that you're talking about, but you record everything. You use it against me, but when I say, hey, this is proof, well, that don't exist. But anyways, and I want to give a shout out to a friend of mine, Steve. I got several good friends named Steve, and he's give me one direction I'm gonna check into, and hopefully that'll work out. But you know, I know the people who's pulling for me, and that's good. But we're making it. But yeah, so a tip, always record. I'm telling you, there's no reason we can't record this stuff. And sometimes I got to remind myself, but all public servants, because they're all out to screw you. These people are, what was wrong? I said, hey, what do you mean another assessment? Just sign me up for your expensive course. Oh, well, you don't have insurance? Yeah, bill it too, because I'll tell you guys what I did the last time, and they might not think it's very funny, but when they signed me up for the assessment and I went and they filled out my insurance information, I put Troy Essex as my insurance, as you bill it to them. Okay, he's the one demanding I go to it. Well, you know what? I'm not asking to go to it, so whatever. My situation, they cost me my job, they cost me all this, and you guys want to give me the hard time like this? Whatever. I called, I said, hey, go ahead and set me up an appointment, and if you could, make sure you let the court know that I'm compliant, and I'll see you then. Oh no, why is it a hard time? And I said, look, then you call the court and let them know. I said, I'm the one complying with the court order and you are not. This is what we're going through. Well. And I don't know what's happened. This would be the day of the auction of my house and how bad they're screwing me over. And, excuse me. But so, I got to figure out how to, I could talk about Rob's case, but I don't got the other video to break it down with. By now it's been out that long, but the truth is they're pushing a little bit of a wrong direction. Rob's agreed that he would, he's got, I guess, 60 minutes going to be doing a thing on his. We'll talk more about that. He had agreed that he would, right now I'm just not in a situation to do it, but I was going to sit down and let him talk about his stuff on my channel. But we'll see. Maybe we'll still eventually get to that. So Rob, if you're watching, I'm not trying to, my situation is just real rough right now, and I can't do it right now, but I'll get something worked out. But, I got enough information for the point I'm trying to make. I got enough information to break it down. And the point is, right from the start, the violation was they pulled you over and without a right to. Okay, there's where, so that's what you got to go after. And as far as Troy Essex, okay, you're, some of the route, yeah, you're going to get a lawyer. And this is why, I don't think the community should have, a lawyer's going to try to come after the community to pay for that, to damages for that. And I don't think that should have to be the case. And the truth is, you should go after, not them because of violation, because of whatever it is, but what they did was violate your rights, and they held on to evidence knowing that was malicious prosecution and abuse of process. There's some things you could go on for that and go after him personally. And what we need to do is all come together who have these claims and look out for me, please. Show me, whatever, because me telling you this is really being able to get this out there is pissing them off. But if we come together on this, we all have these claims against this asshole. That's what he, whatever. Anyways, I don't want to take it long. I just thought I'd tell you how stupid they're making it for me. Check back with you later. Thanks.